We're going to draw this apple. We're going to do some sketch and shading techniques. And we're going to do this because we are thankful for teachers. So, apple for teacher. We're going to draw these lines right into here and this line right into here. So we're going to start here and come around right here. We want to leave some space for our leaf up here. So I'm going to start my apple right about here and bring it around. We're doing some sketch lines. I'm holding my pencil a little back from the tip. This is where I would usually write. I'm going to hold it back, bring it down here and do some of these sketch lines. And then I'm going to start again back here and bring this sketch line back here. Our nice red delicious line and a little wave right here for the bottom of the apple. Now we're going to put our stem here, little stem. We're going to erase what's behind it to show that this is in front. And our leaf, and we have little decals that come up and then come down. Deckle it a little bit with the line that comes here for our veins. Now we have our basic apple. What we're going to do now is we're going to do some shading. So take your pencil, hold it in a shading hold, which is setting it down, lifting it up so you can just get the side of your pencil like this. And just wherever you see dark spots, you're going to start putting some pressure there and do it in the angle. See how the angle comes down, the curve. Draw in the curve as much as possible. Draw in the direction of the object you're working on. So I see some color here, some tone. And all up in here. This goes right into here, and I'm putting more pressure, getting a little bit more line work to it. Bringing it down a little bit. All right, so here is our apple. Give it a little bit more strong shading here to really make it look rounded and developed. Wherever you want highlights, you need to have shadow or tone value, darker value near it so that it shows up lighter. Now for the bottom shadow. Whoops. Take your pencil with the tip and very lightly draw in the shadow here. I'm going to show you another technique. That's just this long line here where I'm pulling off the paper, pull off the paper, pull off the paper. Now we have a little shadow for where our apple is on the table. Bring the shadow up a little bit. Show that there's more apple around the side. I'm going to erase this little shadow right there. All right, now for this part, we're going to add in some lines, some line work to show direction of the form, the apple form in the back. Bring this all the way down to this part. And have this come this way. Nice. Now we're going to do some line work on the stem. And for our leaf, we're going to go back to our shading hold and fill this in a little bit, just gently, ever so gently. And where you want to accentuate the tone, give it a little bit more oomph, little oomph for our leaf. Pass over it a few more times. Et voila, we have a bell. You go thank a teacher.